Okay, we got our package from Kazoo Bird. Time to unpack. I cut it open already. I'm trying to hold this camera and not fiddle fart it around. Oh, thank you, Claire. Looks just like them. Creamy Zen, Worldly Cuisine, which will be the next thing that I make up when I'm making up food. Scooby Snack, fresh bag, and a bag of Rhodey Bush. Pellets. I'll have to walk over and talk to baby for a minute. Did you get treats? Did you get treats? Yeah? Yeah, I know. You don't like the ceiling fan being on. Are you a good boy? Thank you, Claire.